Welcome to the Cohesity Management Pack installation video. Today we're going to be covering system compatibility, creating a least privileged user, the management pack installation, and then there's the adapter configuration section. First, let's go to docs.vmware.com. There we can search for True Visibility Suite documentation. This will bring us a list of all of the management packs. We'll go down and click on Cohesity here. Here you can find system requirements. For Cohesity, you're going to want to choose the viewer role for the user that we're going to be configuring. So let's log into Cohesity here, go into Access Management, and then we'll create a new user. In this example, we're going to be doing local. If you're going to be using a AD user, you just have to specify the domain. Here you can specify the username you'd like, password, and then finally the role. We're going to be selecting the viewer role down at the very bottom. And you can give it a description if you'd like. Might help for managing it later. And then go ahead and click Add. Now that we have our user, we can move on to Management Pack Configuration. Swip to Administration, Repository, and then we'll go down to Add Upgrade. We'll select our management pack. There's two boxes here. These are going to be used on an upgrade. So if you upgrade the management pack, you'll check those boxes. And I've greatly sped this up for the video. It'll take much longer in your environment. So now we'll go down to the management pack we just installed and hit Add Account. Here we can give it a name, specify our Cohesity host, and then we will give it the credentials we've just created. Again, if you're on AD, you'll want to specify a domain. Here we're just going to use local. Under advanced settings, you can change the SSL config if you're going to be using an SSL, for instance. We'll test it out by hitting validate connection. If that was successful, go ahead and click add. After a few minutes, it'll change from warning to green. And it's all set. If you have any questions, please contact your VMware representative. Thank you.